and the brown one is for
Hello everyone! Let's do unboxing po and unwrapping. Ayan, meron pa ako ditong 4 na parcels. Actually, hindi po to akin lahat. So, pinabili lang po to ng ate ko para ibibigay niya para sa Pasko as a gift. So, nakisuyo lang yung ate ko na bilhin to at pinadeliver dito sa bahay. At ito ay atin pong i-unbox. Ayan, enjoy! Happy watching!
Mario doesn't even know how to see parts of basketball. I want to be Mario passing by a little bit. This Mario over here is king.
Ito yung aficionado ano, perfume. Maganda po siya. Ito po ay akin, mga perfume po to. Akin po to, ipapanregalo ko rin ito sa mga teenagers, bata teenagers na. Ito yung kay ate, ito yung pinasuyo niya sa akin ipabili sa online.
Wow.
Ano siya oh, 200 plus, aficionado, 200 plus to, ito 6 na piraso na siya.
I know what will make
Ano
me
pa din?
hoping on you.
Baby pa. Ayan, pabango pa din. Ano?
If I just fart on you.
Bango. Smell baby powder talaga. Baby powder, perfume.
How the police on you?
Yung bango niya, yung kagaya ng bango ng powder, baby powder,
Ayan, it's right here.
ganon yung bango niya, pero kulon lang po ito. Bango siya.
And it's right here. Here.
Bango. I like this.
Can you
Baby
smell?
powder.
Smell it over here.
Where is it? Smell it. Oh, very mabango na.
How about this one?
So, try this other one. Okay? Oh, smell it.
It's like alcohol. How about this one? What?
Smell it.
Mm,
Mabango.
that smells like a Tara.
Yeah.
How about this one? Attack the robot.
Ito naman ang ating bubuksan. Ang bango. I like the smell of this.
Stay in your
Gusto ko
house.
yung
And
amoy.
there's going to be robbers going inside. So you gotta defeat them or else they'll rob you safe. You gotta defend your house. You don't do anything now. Your house is very big. Yeah, but you can steal your TV, you can steal your bed, you can steal your plant, you can steal your gold, you can steal your pictures. And
So, ang ganda.
you have a lot of stuff. You have a big house.
Isang set ng cooking utensil sets. Yeah. Ganda. Ayan o.
First
Wood
robber
yung handle
is
niya.
the guy who's going to
Soft lambot.
the guy who's going to try to break the door. Break it.
Tungtong. Diba? Isang set na siya. Plastic lang pala.
And the auto shop is they already removed that man.
So, isang set 300 po ito. Bali 200 plus lang, pero pagkasama yung shipping fee, naging 300 plus na.
Yes, yes, Piccola. Eve. He has so many keys. He has all the keys in the world. Let us take keys. Coffee. Look, there are so much keys. There are keys. What are you doing, bro?
Ito yun. Ito yung, ano, pang toilet, pang CR.
And look, look at me.
Like
I'm
this.
the master of keys. And I can break any door with my keys.
Hindi ko na lang i-assemble kasi hindi naman to para sa, basta ano siya, hindi naman
And
to
look at my
akin.
neck. No, just like color of
So, ilang layer to? 1, 2,
brown,
3, 4, 5.
green, and
So, 5 layer po ito. Pang ano to sa bathroom, sa toilet.
this house looks
Plastic. Sa toilet siya.
and
Ayan,
look at my
ayan.
nose.
Ayan po yung ating in-unbox.
Sapultin!
Maganda naman po. Natuwa pa ako dito sa perfume na to.
Which one
Baby
is
powder. Kasi ang bango niya, tsaka mild lang po yung bango niya. Kagaya lang po siya ng bango ng mga baby powder na mga pulbo. Ganun na ganun po talaga ang amoy niya. Matutuwa na yung mga teenager na pagbibigyan ko nito. Ito, yan. Para naman to sa
And look, bro,
aficionado. Perfume naman to sa mga bata rin. Meron kasi akong batang ka-close. Sabi niya, Ate Bernadette, mamamasko ako sa iyo ng perfume. Kulon daw perfume. So, naisip ko ito lang din ibibigay ko sa ibang bata. Kaya nag-order na ako online. At ito ay maganda dahil nabili ko 6 pieces na po for 1 pack, 200 plus. Aficionado po siya. Ayan. At ito naman ang pinabili ni ate. Papangregalo din po ito ni ate. At saka ito. Maganda naman po. Isang set. Ayan. Thank you for watching po.